Meaning of French knickers.
French knickers.
French knickers.
French knickers.
French knickers. French knickers refers to a style of women's underwear that is similar in shape to traditional men's shorts. They are typically made of lightweight materials like silk or lace and feature a loose, flowing design that falls somewhere between full panties and a thong. French knickers often have a wide waistband and delicate detailing around the hemline. This style of underwear is considered both comfortable and sensual, making it a popular choice for brides-to-be and romantic occasions. French knickers can be found in a variety of colors and fabrics, and are widely available at lingerie retailers.